Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. What is your time? I don't know. But anyways, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is all about cooking githeri. Those who don't know what githeri is maize and beans. You buy fresh maize and boil it, and boil your beans, and then it is called githeri. In my language, we call it nyoyo. So it's just very easy to cook it. If you don't want to boil, if you don't want to boil it, if you don't have to boil it, if you don't have all the time for boiling, then you can just buy from the people who sell it. You just buy from them and then you boil it. That's very easy. I remember my mom used to cook nyoyo with so many things in it. You can put meat, you can put Irish potatoes, you can put spinach, and a lot of things, and the way it will taste so yummy. But for me, actually, I don't like so many things in githeri because of the baby now. So I just do very small things. So I just do carrots, tomatoes, green pepper. Even if you put hoho, it's okay for the baby, yeah. So just like that, and then cook it. But remember to put enough cooking oil, because if you don't put enough cooking oil, it will taste somehow, yeah. You let your spices cook, and then after you put your githeri, and then if you want it cooked wet, if you want to have it wet fried, you can put a little soup in it. If you don't want it, if you want it dry, you can still leave it and cook it with the spices and cooking oil only, and salt. Just you just good to go, yeah. So have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? If not, why not? Hi guys. Hi. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate your support actually. I really value you as Susanna family. Thank you so much. And yeah, please subscribe. Just kindly subscribe and share the video, and tell a friend to subscribe to the channel. And share the video, please. Please. And then also come again tomorrow for another video, to watch another video, yeah. So see you tomorrow. Please subscribe, share, and by the way, most especially, you turn on the bell notification for more videos. Why you turn that on? You see, when you click a subscribe button, it will pop up the bells, 3 bells I guess, and then you click that one with the dots sides, and then you're good to go. So anytime I post any video, you're good to go. So there, our githeri is ready. See how it is cooking. Very thick soup. Actually, I put little soup for my son, yeah, because he cannot swallow it when it is dry. See how it is wet, right? Now it is ready. Let's switch off our gas. Then we serve it. Yeah, ready to serve and ready to be eaten. Actually, in that saucepan, I had lunch. The one I had cooked for my boy, and that is Indomie. Yeah, I had fried it with some eggs. So I am warming it for my son to have it. I will give him, if he does not want to have that, then we will share githeri with him. We will serve him githeri. That's why I am warming it. So that is our githeri. That is called wet fry. Yeah, you can see it has little soup just from far. Yeah, but you cannot cook soup only. That's just little soup. So that is called wet fry. That githeri, guys, is very tasty. Try it. Remember when you're cooking githeri, like I said, you have to put enough